When the power grid fails, doctors lose access to online prescription drug databases, forcing them to make dangerous guesses when substituting medication. AegisTriage is an offline clinical co-pilot. It runs a full-scale MedGemma AI model directly on the edge device.
Chaos is inevitable. Medical errors are not. AegisTriage, clinical logic when the world goes dark.
Let's talk about AegisTriage. It's an AI lifeline built for when everything goes dark. So the whole mission here, bringing top-tier medical safety to the world's toughest spots. Okay, picture this. A huge hurricane hits, and just like that, everything we rely on is gone. The power grid is completely fried. That means no internet, no servers, and zero cloud access. And with cell towers down, first responders are flying blind, making life or death calls all alone. Here's the big problem. How do you check donated drugs for safety with no internet? The answer is something called edge intelligence. Basically, all the processing happens right there, offline. So AegisTriage is a self-contained system on a tough laptop. The AI, the data, everything's inside. For a volunteer, it's super simple. You just enter the patient's info and the drug they have. Then its brain, the MedGemma AI, checks a local FDA database and gives an instant safety answer. But this is about more than just saving lives. It's also about protecting the organizations doing the work. You know, the return on investment here is huge, mostly from saving time and reducing legal risk. And get this, instead of a big fixed fee like cloud systems, it's a smart pay-as-you-go model. That efficiency is real too. We're talking about cutting documentation time in half. That's huge. Okay, but the biggest question is, how can you actually trust an AI with someone's life? Well, AegisTriage has a brilliant safety net. It's a simple, rule-based system that double-checks the AI. So if the AI misses an allergy, these hard-coded rules step in. The human-made rule always wins. The other layer of protection, it's an unchangeable log. Think of it like a black box recorder. This log creates a rock-solid audit trail, which is crucial for protecting the organization later. So really, this isn't just some new tool. It's a whole new standard for disaster response. It makes you wonder, in a world that's always connected, maybe our greatest strength is being offline.